Chloe, I asked you to do what?
Go do the what is it called? Tomatoes. And then I said, but first, and Mom's like,
Let me take a selfie.
I am just being silly.
Today is the day that we start tearing apart the bathroom downstairs to make it a bigger shower. So when we were framing out the stuff downstairs for our bedroom, so our bedroom is right behind this wall here, we made the wall bigger so that we could make a bigger shower in here. And we're going to completely tear out the toilet and the sink and redo the walls, and I think Darian's gonna move this wall back 3 or 4 inches as well, just to give us a little bit more space in the bathroom.
Sissy, I hereby deem this here sissy cat.
Wait, where is she?
Micah, she's up. You literally just saw her. This sissy cat, the craziest cat alive. I don't even know how she got up there. Like, look, there's nothing for her to get up there with. True, but isn't that hilarious?
Need a box for a friend. It's an exploding box. Explode. It's not exploding. It's supposed to explode. Why is it not exploding? There we go. Explodes. It's not a funnel cloud yet.
No funnel cloud yet. But I mean, look, this is turning this way, that's turning that way.
That's bad. So that's the starting of a funnel cloud. Yeah, and the funnel cloud is
It's prime weather for it.
Over here.
This stuff, the top up ones are going this way, and the lower clouds are going this way.
That there, look there.
How do you see it?
That's all hail from.
Goodness, tornado. Why is the sky evil? I'm gonna
Oh, and like, this is going...
That's like, we came in and this was 3 minutes later.
Oh, look at there's people out there.
Where?
At the park.
There is people at the park.
What's that?
There's those people now.
Oh, look at them.
Mom, this is very pretty making. Oh,
It is very pretty making.
which color's better? This lighter blue or this darker blue?
I like the lighter blue.
Yeah, me too. Artist, caution, artist at work.
Yeah, you've got it on your face and your neck, and
Oh,
yeah, so somebody's been painting this morning.
yesterday.
And yesterday we've got a couple of different little things going on here. Spirals seem to be her
My physique today.
theme today and yesterday. I really like this one.
Thanks for helping me with it, Mom.
Wibbly wobbly timey wimey.
Yep, that's one's custom order. Covered in paint.
And that's one of your good shirts, isn't it?
Yeah. Wait, there's actually no paint on it. There's paint on my pajamas, though. How much is on my face?
There's not very much on your face. Just come here.
Point it out to me.
Right here.
Simba.
Everything the light touches will be yours.
I'm really excited to see the live action of that.
Okay, go wash your hands.
Yep.
Right. So go into the next chain.
Oh. What happened?
I'm not sure.
Oh. How do
You pull your working end. Yeah, that's good. Okay, hang on a second. See where you're at.
I did something wrong.
Okay. No, you're doing right. Okay, so then you hold here, right? Okay, and you go into the next chain space.
Yeah, I think I went through a crochet space.
And you insert into that chain, and you pull up a loop.
That?
Okay, you're yarning under. You want your yarn to go over towards the top of you, and then pull it through. I'm barbecuing, and it's probably gonna start raining. It's not as bad as it was yesterday, but the wind's pretty bad.
You're like the most still client I've had in a while. Like I had this kid that...
Just to see.
Yeah, I understand. Hi, Mom.
What are you doing?
I'm painting this woman's face with flowers, and she wants a pink flower on her nose.
Oh, it's beautiful. Good job, Chloe.
Pink, middle, purple petals.
Blue colors shining through. I see your true colors, and that's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors are all black. Are beautiful, like the rain.